Click on the link in the description box below. It should take you to this page, which has links to the 4 edited public domain comic image repositories that I've created, which should help you be able to create your own custom comic. It'll also have these links to the Wikipedia pages and public domain superheroes Wikia pages for these characters, so you're able to learn more about these characters and their histories, which may help inspire you and give you more ideas of what comics you can create based on these characters. Also, feel free to go nuts with these images. You don't have to make custom comics. You could use them to make memes. You also don't have to necessarily respect the original stories that these characters come from. They're public domain. You can kind of do whatever you want with them. You can make the bad guy the good guy. You can make characters who had never met before in the original comics like team up or fight each other, you know, all kinds of stuff. So go crazy, let your imagination go wild. It takes a long time for me to create these image repositories, so I hope you guys enjoy them and that you guys use them, and feel free to share your custom comics with me on the Discord. I would love to check them out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave your questions in the comment section below or message me on the Discord. Thank you all for watching. This is your friend, your boy, Jet Black the One Only, logging out. Peace, chicken guy.